We have our first quest crafter. Daniel has gone ahead and made a tutorial that's based upon something he learned. He gives credit to the source, which is what I want you to do, and he modified this tutorial. He didn't just reproduce it, and that's the point. Now, the one suggestion I'd make to Daniel is number your steps so that when someone has a question, they can say in step number 3, I got a question about, whatever. I've read through this. I am not going to critique the language or anything else, but I see a problem in having students discover where these are. When I open up my swatch panel, I don't see these. Okay, so I'll just give you a clue here. In Illustrator, go to Swatches, Window, Swatches, Window, Swatches, and then click on the libraries and come down to the color books. And I'll just pick the CMYK coded. And I've already enlarged this. You can grab this and, change the size. And you can see there's a whole bunch of these. So you could pick and say, hey, I want to do this range of colors right here. From here to here, I'm going to hold down Shift and click on that range of colors. Then pull this up, drag and drop it. And I've got these colors now ready to roll for Daniel's tutorial. There's some other points I think you might have questions about. But this is a learning process for everybody involved. Log in to your Adobe ID, and you need to sign in order to leave comments, and give Daniel some feedback if you do this. Don't just read through and say, hey, you made a grammatical error, right here. Don't be a nitpicker. Go through, and the comments are only for students who actually try to do this quest. Do you get it? All right. And it's easy to criticize. Go ahead. Why don't you make a tutorial and see how others learn from your exploration, your modified version of someone else's tutorial or your original tutorial that you came up with on your own. What a great idea.